Hey guys, it's me Lexi, and today we are going to be making, drumroll please, lips, gloss, and yeah, that's what we're gonna be making. Have all this stuff like set up for me already. My table is dirty because it's a craft table. And yeah, so I'm gonna be making some lip gloss, and what you need if you want to make it is something to mix in, like put the mixture in a bowl, something to mix with, which I'm using popsicle sticks that are colored. That's me. Then you also need some food coloring if you want to color your lipstick or lip gloss, whatever. And if you want to add some smell to it, you could have some scents. I have cupcake scents, cotton candy scent, and a bubblegum scent. Then you'll need some aloe vera gel. And of course you need something to put your lip gloss or lipstick in, so I have these containers. Then I have these pipettes, I think is what you call them. They look like this. There's one small size and one big size. For me, the bigger ones are better, but whatever you could do. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be making, lip glosses. So let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your aloe vera gel. I just got this brand, the Up&up brand, I don't know, it's just what I found. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour some aloe vera gel. Right now I'm gonna use a little bit because they're little. So you could get like a bigger container, but I have little ones, it's fine. And then I could choose any color. The colors I have are pink, orange, purple, and green. And I'm gonna go with pink. Classic. Put some in there. Oh, I also have my baby brother right here. He's just eating and watching. Creepy. But okay, you can say if you want. So what you're gonna do is, I already add the aloe vera gel and I add some food coloring. Next I'm going to be mixing it, as you can see, mixing. And I'm going to add more of this. So hard to get out. So jiggly. I think I'm gonna make it like a light pink or something, so I think I'm not gonna add that much pink in, but if you want, you could go crazy with the food coloring. It doesn't matter, your choice. You're gonna fall. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go for it, like make it how I want it. Yeah, it looks like it's turning into dark pink. Obviously, I mean, I added more food coloring in. Anyways, yeah. Keep on mixing, keep on mixing. Okay, so after you mix, of course you're gonna add in your you're gonna add in your scent. And I think I'm gonna go for, let my baby brother decide, that's what I'm gonna go for. So which one? Should I do cupcake, cotton candy, bubblegum? Which one? Bubblegum? Or cupcake and cotton candy?
Bubblegum.
Okay. smell good? This is cotton candy. Sorry. That one's bubble gum. That's not. That was bubble gum. That's why I didn't put bubble gum in. It's like a very strong scent of bubble gum. Don't mess with that. It'll break reels. You want to smell cupcake? Here's your mystery scent. Do you like bubblegum? Okay. So I'm a I added a few drops in of the scent. He has stickers. I think I added a bunch, but it smells good. I like it. Go for it. And then next step, this is a really easy thing if you have like all the things I have. I mean, you don't need a pack. You don't need to have a scent, but whatever. Okay, so next you have to fill your pipette or whatever you want to call it, tube, with all the lip gloss inside. And then you're gonna get a container. Open it. Put your thing inside. It's full. And then my lipstick things come with this thing right here. I don't know what it is, but you're supposed to put in here and then just put your cap on, screw it on. And then there, done. And then eventually the cap will stay on there forever. That right there. Wait. That one extra layer, the thing. That's the cap or whatever I just put on. And then yeah, you have your lovely little lipstick for yourself. Or if you want to make some and then sell it, do whatever you want with it. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like, the pink. Guys, hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.